Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, we will take a full and complete look at the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. I want to go over the exact release date, battery capacity, camera, and other specs of the S9, including the stereo speakers. Everything stated in this video is based on reliable leaks and is nearly 90% accurate. So let's dive in and get started. But before we do, make sure to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram for the latest updates at SAKITECH Online. Make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH and also click on that notification bell icon to get instant updates when I upload a video. Okay, so here's the news for the release. The Galaxy S9 will be launched on February 25th at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Spain, and of course this is the official news direct from Samsung Mobile. And according to some reliable leaks by Evan Blass and other sources, you will be able to pre-order the S9 or the S9 Plus within the ballpark of March the 1st, and finally, the product will be shipped or be available to be purchased on March 16th. So you can get your hands on this product by the 16th of March. The battery has also leaked. The S9 will have 3000 mAh, while the S9 Plus will have 3500 mAh of battery capacity. Both smartphones will ship with Android Oreo operating system, which will help with improved battery life. From a leaked retail box of the S9, we can also see that there's going to be stereo speakers on these phones, which is a huge step forward and a welcome addition for the S line. The stereo speakers will be tuned by AKG. And of course, we know exactly what the phones look like. It just looks like the S8 and the S8 Plus from the front end, as you can see. These are official images, also leaked by Evan Blass, the reliable leakster. On the rear side, we now have a vertical orientation of the cameras like the iPhone X and a fingerprint sensor that will be under the camera and centered on the chassis, which is great. The S9 Plus will have a dual camera, while the S9 will have a single camera, as you can see from these rear camera component photos. Both the S9 and the S9 Plus will have 12 megapixel primary cameras, while the S9 Plus most likely will have a secondary 12 megapixel telephoto camera. Now, the quality of these cameras will be significantly improved because that's precisely what Samsung has been teasing in their S9 and the S9 Plus teaser, which states camera reimagined. And almost certainly you will be able to record in 4K at 60 frames per second for video. As for the remaining specs, we will have the latest Snapdragon 845 processor for US markets and Exynos 9810 for non-US markets. Both these processors are even more energy efficient than their predecessors, so that will also help with extended battery life. The S9 is going to have 4 GB of RAM, and the S9 Plus likely to have 6 GB of RAM, which will be great. Many features from previous models such as iris scanner, wireless charging, water resistance will simply carry over to the S9 and the S9 Plus. So overall, we have an S9 and an S9 Plus with the following advantages: camera enhancements, stereo speakers, powerful new processors, and latest operating system. And that's basically all the information we have so far. So let me know what you think by dropping your comments down below. Are you going to let your S8 or S8 Plus go in favor of these enhancements and get the new S9? Or are you going to keep them to wait till the next iteration for a bigger upgrade? Or perhaps you have another smartphone altogether and you are salivating for the S9. Let me know your thoughts, concerns, comments down below. Alright, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH and also click on that notification bell icon to get instant updates when I upload a video. And make sure to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram for the latest updates at SAKITECH Online. Guys, have a fantastic day.